Hi, today we're going to just take a look at how these elastic IP addresses work in Amazon EC2. So I'm logged into my EC2 console here, and I have three instances running. I've got a Windows machine running IIS, I've got a Linux machine running Ruby on Rails, and I've got another Linux machine running an Apache server with PHP. So one thing I might be interested in doing is building a website or establishing a domain and having some flexibility as to how I chose to implement that website. So I can use the Elastic IP addresses. I'm going to go ahead and create a new IP address, or ask for a new IP address, and it gives me this one here, 184.173.200.91. Now I have to start paying for that as soon as it is allocated, but once it's allocated I can associate that IP address with any of the machine instances that I have running. So I'll just pick this first one here, and I'm going to go ahead and associate that IP address with that machine instance. So back in the instances dashboard, we should now see on this machine that it has been in fact assigned using this elastic IP address. Now this would be an IP address that I could go out and I could register with a domain name service to associate that IP address with www.mysite.com. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to just bring up a browser here, and we're going to just go over and look at that IP address 184.73.291. Okay, so you see in fact that that is my Ruby on Rails machine, and I would be able to just go ahead and do my development over there to build this website using Ruby on Rails. Okay, so that was pretty cool. So then what I'm going to do now here is I'll just disassociate that address from that machine instance. And now let's go ahead and associate it with the second one here. And now when I refresh this website, it might take a couple of minutes for everything to kind of percolate through. But you see that this is now my PHP website. So just to continue on here and do it one more time, we can now dissociate that address from that instance and associate it with my final instance here, and refresh this web page. So once everything's kind of worked its way through the system, we now see that that IP address is associated with the IIS server running over on my Windows instance. So that is an example of how you can use the elastic IPs in Amazon EC2 to manage a website.